Profile module. The Profile module offers the three following functions: Profile, Password, and Users. The Profile function lets you view your own information. The profile information can be changed by selecting Modify. The fields will then be editable. To save, click OK. Users who do not have permission to modify their profile must refer to the company's master user. For security purposes, the master user must contact customer service to modify their profile information. It is important to ensure that valid email addresses are entered in each profile, since the TES confirms all transactions during a work session by email. The Password function allows the user to change his password. Once the function is selected, enter the current password in the old password field. Enter the new password in the appropriate field and confirm it. Save the change by clicking OK. The TES was developed to allow the company to manage who will be given access to the application. Only the master user can create other user accounts, determine their access rights, and manage the accounts. To do this, the master user must select the Users function. The Find action finds an existing user with the help of the search options User, Last Name, First Name, and Status. Click OK to display the users that match the specified criteria. Add is used to create a new user account. Once the action is selected, complete the form in the General tab by entering at least the mandatory information identified by an asterisk. The Send a copy of emails regarding bonds button requests email notification of the receipt of a bond addressed to the company. The Send a copy of receipts button requests email confirmation of every transaction submitted by the company. The Send a copy of emails regarding tabulations button requests email notification when a tabulation addressed to the company is available. The Status field renders a user inactive when required. The Contact Information tab allows you to add a different address from the default address used on the creation of the account and to enter the user's email address. The Access tab shows all the permissions that can be given to the user. It is up to the master user to assign permissions by checking the appropriate box. To grant all permissions in a single step, check the box to the left of the word Permission. When all the tabs are completed, click OK. The TES will generate a temporary password for the user code that was created, which should be given to the user. The user then has up to 4 days to modify the temporary password. Past that delay, the temporary password will expire and a new temporary password will have to be generated by the master user. To return to the other functions in the Profile module, click OK. Delete lets you delete a user ID as long as no actions or transactions have been submitted by that user. Find the user's name, check the box next to it, and click Delete. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. The user's record will be erased. Reset Password lets you assign a new temporary password to a user. You have to check the box next to the user's name before clicking Reset Password. The TES will generate a new temporary password. To return to the other functions in the Profile module, click OK. To learn about the application's other functions, please view the specific videos about them.